सुरमल्देरतनुं मूलनिवासः
सुरमन्दिरतरुमूलनिवासः
सुरमन्दिरतनुं मूलनिवासः
सुरमन्दिरतरुमूलनिवासः
सह्याभूतलम् अजिलं वासः
शय्याभूतलम् अजिनं वासः
सुरमल्देरतनुं मूलनिवासः
सुरमन्दिरतरुमूलनिवासः
शय्याभूतलम् अजिलं वासः
शय्याभूतलम् अजिनं वासः
सर्वपरिग्रह भोगत्यागः
सर्वपरिग्रह भोगत्यागः
सर्वपरिग्रह भोगत्यागः
सर्वपरिग्रह भोगत्यागः
कस्य सुखं न करोति विरागः
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 भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
सुरमन्दिरतनुं मूलनिवासः அப்படின்னா the way how டெம்பிளோட கர்ப்ப கிரகத்துக்குள்ள எப்படி சுவாமி இருக்கோ the same way we have to be, the house has to be clean, of course, neat, that we do. It has to be peaceful also. நிறைய பூஜைகள் நிறைய நல்ல விஷயம் only has to dwell in the house. அப்போதான் that vibration will be there going on in the house. அப்போ வீட்டை வந்து we have to take care of the house as if it's a temple. So in temple you don't go and you don't shout, no, you're not supposed to cry in the temple. So அந்த மாதிரி you are not supposed to do such kind of things even in the house. Suramandiratanum moola nivasaha sayya bhutalam. Bhutalam means on the earth. You have to sit down. Sitting down on the floor again, it's not relevant to the contemporary. We don't sit. We always sit either on the bed or on the chair or table. We have just stopped with the habit of sitting down. So Sura Mandiratanum Moola Nivasaha Sayya Bhutalam Ajilam Vasaha. Always you have to stay connected to the Mother Earth. Always. Sayya Bhutalam Ajilam Vasaha सर्वपरिग्रह भोगत्यागः. Now this verse is not at all fit for us. It's an exception. Sarvaparigraha bhogastyagaha means the real devotee is the one who will sacrifice all the luxuries. It is not possible with us. I always say this. Whenever I take this verse, I say, it is not possible with us. We need cot, we need a bed, we need a pillow, a proper everything has to be proper. And the adjustments, compromise, and the Madhuri words are not there in our dictionary. We need the AC, we need a fridge, we need a TV, we need a washing machine. So we need a lot of things. We cannot live without machines. அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடுது. No, we need a lot of machines. We need reminder calls, we need reminder emails, reminder के ऊपर reminder kind of you want it. So அந்த மாதிரி सर्व परिग्रह. So if you want, the first thing which he's asking us to do is to त्यागम सर्व परिग्रह भोगस्त्याग. All luxuries has to be left away. कस्य सुखं न करोति विरागः. Vairagyam. Vairagyam means determination. Once you say that I will live without this, I will sleep without AC, not possible. I will stop drinking fridge water, not possible. No, like when we were kids, we did not have fans and lights also in our schools. Like electricity problem इतने उन्नत रहते that we used to have hand fans. Like we used to do like this, and then we used to write the works. So normally now these days schools have started having ACs. No sports period. So you people are not exposed to sunlight, which we were exposed to. So no, not much of friends. Our friends is computer, laptop, because we will not fight with the friends. So what is to have an argument, what is to have an adjustment, how to compromise, how to have a give and take in a relationship, is all what we are we don't know. This generation, we don't know. It's an exception for our kids. So அந்த மாதிரி we have to be liberated from all the not only sorrows, from all the happiness, luxuries of life. Sarva parigraha bhogas tyagaha kasya sukham. No luxuries. Kasya sukham na karoti viragaha. We have to have that staunch determination that we will live without these luxuries. So this verse is actually omitted. So it is not possible for us. So, गेयं गेता नाम सहस्रम्.
गेयं गीता नाम सहस्रम्.
இடத்துலயே வரல பாரு. गेयं गेता
गेयं गीता
गेता
गीता
नाम सहस्रम्.
नाम सहस्रम्.
ज्ञेयं श्रीपति रूपमजस्रम्. ज्ञेयं श्रीपति
ध्येयं श्रीपति
रूपमजस्रम्.
रूपमजस्रम्.
ज्ञेयं गेता नाम सहस्रम्.
गेयं गीता नाम सहस्रम्.
ज्ञेयं श्रीपति रूपमजस्रम्.
ध्येयं श्रीपति रूपमजस्रम्.
देयं सजन सङ्गेशितम्.
नेयं सज्जन सङ्गेशितम्.
देयं दीनदनाय च वेतम्.
ध्येयं दीनजनाय च वीतम्.
दीनधनाय च वित्तम्. देयं दीनधनाय च वेतम्.
ध्येयं दीनजनाय च वीतम्.
देयं दीनधनाय च वेतम्.
देयं दीनजनाय च वीतम्.
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्.
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गेयं गीता नाम सहस्रम. This one more verse before this or after this? Bhagavad Gita. It's after this?
Before this.
It's before this. So Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Kinchitadeta.
Kinchitadhita.
Bhagavad Gita, Kinchita Gita. Bhagavad Gita, every day, one shloka of Bhagavad Gita, you have to chant Bhagavad Gita, Kinchita Deta.
Bhagavad Gita. Kinchitadhita.
Ganga Jalalama Kadika Peta.
Ganga Jalalava Kanika Pita.
Bhagavad Gita Kinchita Deta.
Bhagavad Gita Kinchitadhita.
Ganga Jalalama Kadika Peta.
Ganga Jalalava Kanika Pita.
Sakradapayena Murari.
Sakridapiyena Murari.
Sakradapayena Murari Samarcha.
Sakridapiyena Murari Samarcha.
Sakradapayena Murari Samarcha.
Sakridapiyena Murari Samarcha.
Kriyate dasya yamena charcha.
Kriyate tasya yamena na charcha.
Kriyate dasya yamena charcha.
Kriyate tasya yamena na charcha.
Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaj Govindam. Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaj Govindam. Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaj Govindam. Bhaj Govindam. Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaj Govindam.
Govindam Bhaj Mudamate. Bhagavad Gita. One drop, one kinchita, one shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, kinchita dita. Ganga Jalalama Kanika Pita. Ganga Jalam, Ganga itself has come to your house. நம்ம ஆத்துக்கே கங்கை வந்து நம்ம கங்கை தண்ணி குடிக்கிற மாதிரி கங்கா ஜலம் அவ கணிகா பீதா. It's as if you're drinking the water or you're having a bath in river Ganges மாதிரி. So Ganga Jalalama Kanika Peta Sakridapiyena Murari Samaja. So if you do this, Sakridapiyena Murari, he himself will come to you, and there is something which happened. Kriyate tasya yamena charcha. So there is something happened with Murari and Yamalokam. These are the few shlokas in Bhaj Govindam which picks up the interesting part, which has a big story in that couplet. So there was actually a rishi, Shandivani.
Okay.
Shandivani Rishi. who in the Krishna Janma was a guru of Krishna. So it seems he learned 64 arts. It includes like horse riding, elephant riding, politics, agriculture, lot many things like like geography. It includes even building the houses, politics. I said so. Anmadri 64 kalas, 64 what you can say aspects of life in 63 days.
Okay.
64 kalas in 63 days Krishna learned. So when he did it, so there was a concept called as Guru Dakshina, which we have converted that into a piece. So yeah. So he asked, like, after he finished off with the entire course, he asked, "What do you want as a Guru Dakshina?" So he said, "No, I don't want anything. It is not possible." Whereas he knew, Sandipani Rishi knew, his wife knew, Yama also knew that after this episode, Krishna is going to come to me. So it seems when we are all dead, Yama himself cries, "You don't come here." Na? That's a pain because depending on our sin, now what all our sin, Garuda Puranam says, it is a sin even to beat somebody. So we are the most sinners. Mummies are the mummies are the greatest sinners. So to beat somebody, to to shout at someone, or unnecessarily blaming somebody, or talking bad about someone when you don't know, don't open your mouth. Talking bad about someone, gossiping, or spreading the gossips are all a part of sin. Nilame, unknowingly, we are doing all these things, knowingly or unknowingly. There are some people who have fun, just for the sake of their sadistic pleasure, they do it. There are people who just do without knowing, like kids do it unknowingly. So that is also a sin. So Shandivani Rishi had a son. He lost his son 1,000 years back at the age of 7. Okay, he lost his son 1,000 years back when the child was 7 year old. So he says, "I want that son back." He's lost. I don't know where he is. He doesn't say that he's dead. He said, "I lost the son. Maybe he has gone somewhere." He said, "I'm going out to play," and then I don't know where he went. I searched throughout the world. I did not get. So as usual, Krishna, he doesn't know us anything. So he doesn't knows anything. So he went to search everywhere. He goes and has a word with the Samudra Rajan. He goes to the heaven. He goes to the earth. He goes to the Himalayas. Everywhere, wherever is it possible. Then he says, "Okay, let me just check in the Yamapuri, Yamapatnam." So there he sees that Yamaraja was having the kid, Shandivani Muni's kid, as he was at the age of 7, and he was pampering that kid. You will never see Yamadharma pampering anyone. We are all we are all inside the oil. We'll be inside the oil depending upon the deeds that you have done. எண்ணெய் சட்டியில போட்டு வறுக்கிறது, கிருமி போஜனம் and all, no, they are all real. If you um, of course kids do this. If somebody is asking for water, especially in schools, this happens, and this definitely happens. The kid would say, "No, no, I will not give you water." So you have to go undergo a hell where you will be kept thirsty. You won't get water. So அதனால you have to give water. We say, if anybody is asking for water, first you have to give water. Even if you don't give food or money, that's okay. But if anybody is asking water, you have to give a water. That is the greatest sin which anybody does. So on the Madri, so Yamaraj will never pamper us. He will rather say, "Why do you people come here instead of coming to Yamapatnam? If you would have gone on the feet of Murari, you would have you would have, the doors would have never be open to you, and you would have gone to the moksham, the vicious circle of taking birth. And Bhajagovindam throughout will talk about this only, mukti, 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 mukti. So throughout, if you are you would have had some dana dharmam, if you would have done some good deeds, if you would have spoken some good words to somebody, you would have not come over here. So this is the first time when the Yamaraja was having the kid on his lap and he was pampering. So he welcomes Krishna with a warm, huge, open arms. He says, "Oh Krishna, I wanted you to come here because receiving all pavis, all sinners, we can say. So I have always been in this Yamapatnam with the sinners. So I am eagerly waiting for you to come. And deliberately, I brought this kid over here so that you will definitely come. You will definitely come and you will fetch this kid for your guru. I knew this is going to happen, and even he knew. That is why he was relaxed, that definitely he's going to get his kid. So Kriyate Tasya, only because he went into the feet of Murari, that is Krishna, that we all know, no? Murari is Krishna. So because he got the child because uh, he was he went into the Murari. So the Kriyate Tasya Yamena Charcha. If you do like this, Yamapatnam also will talk about you, that there was one devotee who took Krishna's name and he never came to us. So you have to always bhaja. That is why only this verse will have Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam in 6 different variations. Govindam Bhaja Modamata.